Let's create a UV sphere. R, Y, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the Y-axis. Tab, go to edit mode, and 3 to face select. Shift, Alt select these two face loops. We need individual origins. Type I as in India to extrude inward, enter to settle. Type I once again to extrude inward like this. S to scale. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Let's apply a shiny blue material. I'll press Ctrl R to add some loop cuts. Let's work on the antenna meshes by using a cube. S to scale, and S and X to scale on the X-axis. I've placed two loop cuts and tried to scale it to separate them, but it's not working for some reason. I have placed loop cuts separately, and moved the mouse cursor to move them close to the end like this. G and X to move on the X-axis. The mesh's origin is located at the 3D cursor. Let's go to edit mode to move the mesh upward. We'll use an empty object along with the array modifier to make instances around the sphere object like this. Let's apply the modifiers, select both meshes, and Ctrl J to join them. Let's set up and render the scene. Let's turn off Use Nodes under compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.